advantages and disadvantages of each advertising channel. Picture this: you're standing in the bustling marketplace of advertising, surrounded by a myriad of stalls representing different media channels. Each stall boasts its unique offerings, promising to help you reach your target audience and achieve your marketing goals. But before you make any hasty purchases, it's crucial to understand the advantages and disadvantages of each channel, ensuring you make informed decisions that align with your brand strategy and budget. Traditional media, the established vendors. Traditional media, like the seasoned vendors in the marketplace, has been around for decades, offering tried and tested methods of reaching a broad audience. Television, the grand dame of traditional media, television reigns supreme in terms of mass reach and high impact. Imagine your brand's commercial during the Super Bowl, captivating the attention of millions of viewers. However, television can be a pricey investment, and its targeting capabilities may not be as precise as digital media. Radio, the voice of the marketplace. Radio provides a personal and engaging way to connect with your audience. Picture your ad playing during the morning commute, reaching listeners as they go about their day. However, radio's targeting options are limited compared to digital channels. Print, the storyteller of traditional media. Print offers a visually appealing and in-depth way to present your brand message. Think of your ad appearing in a fashion magazine or a business journal targeting a specific audience. Nevertheless, print's reach may be declining as people increasingly consume content online. Out of home, the city's billboards and posters. Advertising provides high-impact exposure in public spaces. Imagine your ad displayed on a massive billboard along a busy highway or in a crowded subway station. However, targeting capabilities are limited, and it may not be suitable for all types of products or services. Digital media, the tech-savvy entrepreneurs. Digital media, represented by the tech-savvy entrepreneurs of the marketplace, offers targeted reach, interactive experiences, and measurable results. Search engine marketing, SEM. The search engines are the gateways to the digital world, and SEM helps your brand get noticed when people are actively searching for products or services like yours. Imagine your ad appearing at the top of a search results page, directing potential customers to your website. However, SEM can be competitive, requiring ongoing optimization to maintain visibility. Social media marketing. The social media platforms are the vibrant social hubs of the digital world where people connect, share, and engage. Picture your brand interacting with your audience on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, building relationships and driving engagement. Nevertheless, social media can be time-consuming, demanding consistent effort to maintain a strong presence. Display advertising. The digital billboards of the online world. Display ads provide visual exposure across websites and apps. Imagine your ad appearing on a popular news site or a relevant blog, catching the attention of potential customers. However, display ads can be intrusive, potentially leading to banner blindness if not used strategically. Content marketing, the storytelling powerhouse of digital marketing. Content marketing involves creating valuable and engaging content that attracts and educates your target audience. Think of writing informative blog posts, creating engaging videos, or publishing insightful infographics. Nonetheless, content marketing requires consistent effort and may take time to generate results. Experiential marketing, the immersive storytellers. Experiential marketing, like the immersive storytellers of the marketplace, creates memorable and engaging experiences that connect with your audience on an emotional level. Pop-up shops, the temporary retail havens. Pop-up shops provide a unique and interactive way to showcase your products and brand. Imagine setting up a pop-up shop in a trendy neighborhood or during a major event, creating a buzz and generating excitement. However, pop-up shops are temporary and may require significant investment for a short-term campaign. Events and sponsorships, the social gatherings and celebrations. Events and sponsorships provide opportunities to connect with your audience in a fun and engaging setting. Picture sponsoring a music festival or hosting a product launch event, reaching a large and receptive audience. Nevertheless, events can be expensive and may require careful selection to align with your brand image. Influencer marketing, the word of mouth advocates. Influencer marketing, represented by the trusted word of mouth advocates of the marketplace, leverages the influence of popular individuals to promote your brand or product. Imagine collaborating with a fashion blogger to showcase your latest designs or partnering with a fitness influencer to promote your workout gear. Influencer marketing can be highly effective in reaching specific audiences and building brand credibility. However, it can be expensive, difficult to find the right influencers, and potentially lead to fake engagement. Navigating the marketplace wisely, choosing the right channels. The key to success lies in understanding your target audience, your marketing goals, and the strengths and weaknesses of each channel. By carefully considering these factors, you can create a media mix that maximizes your advertising budget and delivers the desired results. It's like creating a personalized shopping list in the marketplace, selecting the items that align with your needs and preferences. Remember, advertising is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's about tailoring your approach to your unique brand, target audience, and marketing goals. With a well-defined budget and a strategic media mix, you can navigate the marketing landscape and set sail towards advertising success. It's like embarking on a shopping spree filled with smart choices, ensuring you get the best value for your money and achieve your desired outcomes. So grab your shopping list, compass, and marketing savvy, and set off on your advertising adventure. With careful planning, strategic decisions, and a touch of creativity, you can navigate the marketplace and reach the checkout counters of success. Here's a quick recap of the key takeaways. Understand your target audience, know their demographics, interests, and online behavior to choose the right channels and messaging. Define your marketing goals. What do you want to achieve with your advertising? Increase brand awareness, drive website traffic, or generate leads. Consider the strengths and weaknesses of each channel. Each channel has its own unique characteristics, so evaluate them carefully based on your goals and target audience. Create a media mix, combine different channels to reach your audience effectively and maximize your budget. Track and measure results. Use analytics to see how your campaigns are performing and make adjustments as needed. Remember, advertising is an ongoing journey, not a one-time shopping trip. Continuously evaluate, adapt, and refine your approach to stay ahead of the curve and achieve your marketing goals. As you navigate the bustling marketplace of advertising, remember that each channel has its own unique offerings and challenges. By carefully understanding your target audience, your marketing goals, and the strengths and weaknesses of each channel, you can make informed decisions that will lead you to advertising success. So embrace the excitement of the marketplace, make your choices wisely, and embark on a journey of marketing triumphs. Happy advertising adventures.